In a small village, there lived a big, friendly dog named Max. Max was always happy and tired at the same time. He would run through the fields every morning, feeling the fresh air and the warm sun. The villagers loved Max because he was a big help and made everyone smile. Max's big paws would walk through the small town, bringing joy to all. One day, the village had a very happy festival. Everyone gathered in the square, singing and dancing. The festival was small but full of joy. Children laughed and adults shared stories. Max was very tired from running all day, but he still played with the kids. His big eyes showed his happiness, even when he was tired. The weather was cold on the day of the festival. Some people stayed inside while others braved the chill. Max had a small blanket which he used to stay warm. He loved the cold weather, even though his fur was big and thick. The small blanket helped him feel cozy and happy on the chilly day. In the morning, the little girl woke up feeling very tired. She stretched her arms and yawned. The sun was big and bright, but she still felt sleepy. Her room was small with a bed, a chair, and a window. She had a dream about a happy day with her family. After a while, she got up and started her day. When she got out of bed, the girl saw a big, tall tree outside. It was very cold, but the tree was happy. Its branches were full of small green leaves. The wind was blowing, making the leaves dance. The girl smiled and felt a bit better. She knew that even on a cold day, there was always something to be happy about. The girl walked to the park, feeling very tired. She sat on a small bench and looked at the sky. The sun was big and warm, but the air was cold. Birds were flying and some were happy. She felt tired, but the sight of the birds made her smile. It was a small moment, but it made her day better. After walking for a while, the girl found a small pond with big, blue water. The water was very cold, but it looked peaceful. She saw a small fish swimming in the pond. The fish was very tired and drifted slowly. The girl felt happy just watching it. She took a deep breath and smiled at the quiet scene. The girl noticed that the tree was small in the distance but looked tall when she looked up. She climbed up the little hill to get a better view. The sun was big and shining, making everything look happy. The ground was cold, and the trees were tall. The girl closed her eyes and inhaled the fresh air, feeling very tired but peaceful. She looked around and saw a small house with a big garden. The garden was very happy with colorful flowers and green grass. The house had a very tall red roof. The girl felt very tired, but the view from the hill made her happy. She sat down on the ground and took in the beautiful surroundings, enjoying the peace of the day. As the sun set, the girl felt very tired. She started walking back home, feeling the cool breeze. The sky turned big and bright with colors. The world seemed happy, even though she was tired. She knew the day had been good, and she smiled as she made her way down the hill. The stars were small and twinkling, lighting up the sky.